Hello everybody, welcome back. This is Oggie and I got Bespoke posts for June, I guess. Yeah, June. If you're not already a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button down below. It helps the channel a lot. Ring that bell to get notified of any upcoming videos, and let's get started. Okay, so let's cut this open. I've gotten a lot in this size box. Alright, open her up. Okay, first we have a fire flute outdoor element. What the heck is it? Need glasses. Fire flute outdoor element, a Colorado company, premium ferro rod, fire starter, and whistle. There's whistles up here in the top. You see the notch there and the reed in there. Slow burning tinder, kind of cool. 120 decibel emergency signal, hardened striker plate, pocket clip, fire tinder tab, O-ring, watertight storage, aluminum via ferro rod. There we go. There's multiple things in here. This was in this box. It fell out. Carabiner, and the knife, So multi blades. There's a, maybe not. It doesn't look like it comes out. Never mind. That's pretty cool. So you can clip it right on your belt. And then we got something bigger here. What is this? Paracord tangle-free dispenser. Does it come with? Oh, it comes with 20 feet of paracord, a built-in cutter, and I guess it glows in the dark, so you can use it to make an SOS in the air. Interesting. Oh, snap light safety light stick. I can't get it out without tearing the box open, but there we go. The holder, the cutter, and the emergency signal. And I got tons of paracord. Put everything back. Alright, there we go. And that is it. Next stop, the recycling bin. Alright, and the knife. That hurts to grab it. Let me know down in the comments what you thought. Thumbs up, thumbs down, please. Like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Have a wonderful day.